In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Bumble. To get started, open the Bumble app on your mobile device and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Make sure the app has fully loaded before moving on, so everything updates properly as you make changes. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile icon to open your profile page. This is where you can manage your personal details, preferences, and account information. After your profile page opens, scroll down slowly until you find the About You section. This area contains the details that help shape how your profile appears and how your information is shown inside the app. When you see About You, tap on it to open your profile information. Inside this section, look for the location area. This is the setting you'll need to update if you want to change the location connected to your profile. Tap the location section to continue. Now choose or edit your preferred location using the options available on your screen. Depending on how Bumble is set up on your device, you may be able to select a location manually or adjust details that are already linked to your account. Take a moment to confirm that the location you choose is accurate, since this can affect the people and matches shown to you in the app. After updating the location, save your changes. This step is important because if you leave the page without saving, the new information may not be applied. Once the changes are saved, return to your profile and check the location section again to make sure the update was successful. Verifying it right away helps you confirm that everything worked as expected. If the location does not update, there are two common things to check. First, make sure Bumble has permission to access your device's location. You can usually confirm this in your phone's app settings. Second, check that your internet connection is working properly, since a weak or unstable connection can prevent changes from saving correctly. If needed, give the app a moment to refresh before checking again. Once your new location appears on your profile, you're all set. That's how to change your location on Bumble quickly and correctly.